Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a little known feature called clear image zoom, which essentially allows you to turn any lens into a zoom lens on a Sony mirrorless camera. Let's jump onto the camera and I'll show you exactly how it works. So the first thing you're going to need to do is open up the menu, go to the gear icon and go right to the bottom on zoom setting. Out of the box, it will show as optical zoom only. We want to turn clear image zoom on. Then head to menu 7, go to custom key shoot, and I'm using my custom button 2, which is the delete button on the back of the camera, to enable the zoom feature. So now we're in live view. All you have to do is press the delete button, use the wheel on the back of the camera to zoom in, and you can go all the way to 2 times. Sony say that you're not going to lose very much quality in doing this, but I'd recommend sticking between 1.6 and 1.7. But if you really need to go to 2 times, then I don't see any problem with doing that. A really nice feature is you can do this whilst you're recording as well. So if you find yourself in a tricky situation, you need a little bit extra reach, then you can do that live whilst recording. So I'm going to press record now, press the delete button, zoom all the way in, press the delete button again, and we're still recording. I hope you find that video interesting. I didn't know this feature existed on my Sony cameras until today. I knew it was on more expensive Sony cameras, but I didn't realize it started at the A6300. I wanted to keep this video brief so people looking for this answer could come right here and find what they were looking for. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a like, subscribe to the channel, comment below if I helped you out, and why not join my Facebook group? There's a link in the video description. You can ask me questions, you can request videos, but most importantly, I just want to welcome you to the community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again really soon.